Strap in for a futuristic fashion trip on Planet Chuckle.
Today, we're diving into a world where fashion meets tech. Reebok's AI sneakers and Jack Butcher's art-infused Oviators are redefining style in the digital age.
Plus, we're exploring how eBay and Coinbase are changing the game in the collectibles and crypto space. It's all about the new, the now, and the next.
Big news in the Web3 world. Rug Radio is merging with DecryptMedia to form a global Web3 media company. It's like two digital powerhouses joining forces.
And here's the kicker. Rug Radio's community will get to create decentralized content under the watchful eyes of Decrypt's editors. It's like having your cake and letting someone else help you bake it.
Decrypt's not just bringing their editorial expertise, they're getting access to Rug Radio's creative platform and tools. Talk about a tech swap.
Plus, they're planning to launch a token once the merger is complete. I hope it's as valuable as my vintage comic book collection.
Attention, all Amazon Prime subscribers. You've got a chance to snag some free in-game goodies for the NFT game Champions Ascension. It's like Christmas came early for gamers.
And you've got until December 22nd to claim them. Free stuff for playing games? Sign me up! I always knew my Prime subscription would come in handy for more than just fast shipping.
Big moves in the tech world. Helium Mobile is spreading its decentralized wireless network all over the States, tapping into T-Mobile's 5G network for some next-level mobile service.
Get this, you can earn HNT tokens for just using their network daily. Finally, a reason to be glued to your phone as if we needed one. Now, if only they'd reward us in beer for every dropped call, I'd be set for life.
Coinbase Wallet is upping their game. They're rolling out new features to make sending money not just easy, but also cheap and fast. It's like they're turbocharging your digital wallet.
Now you can send cash through just about anything with a link. WhatsApp, iMessage, Telegram, you name it. It's like your money's getting a first-class ticket across all your favourite apps. I just hope it doesn't get too social and start posting selfies.
eBay's making some strategic moves, folks. They've filed a patent for tokenizing collectibles, aiming to play a big part in the collectibles market, projected to be worth a whopping $1 trillion by 2033.
3 weeks ago, eBay was all about NFTs, and now they're talking digital twins of your favourite collectibles. It's like your baseball cards and comic books are getting a high-tech makeover.
eBay's not stopping there. Remember their acquisition of Known Origin and TCG Player? They're seriously beefing up their game in the world of trading cards and NFTs.
And with the recent investment in COMC, they're really going all in on sports trading cards. eBay's turning into a digital collector's paradise.
With all these Web3 hires, it looks like blockchain integration is on the horizon. Imagine your prize collectibles now with blockchain-backed provenance.
So, what's next? A first edition Charizard or a Babe Ruth baseball card as an NFT? eBay might just be the secret weapon of the blockchain world.
In the latest fashion tech mashup, Reebok is teaming up with Futureverse to revolutionize digital fashion. They're launching Reebok Impact, a digital shoe experience that's all about diving into AI and digital wearables.
Mind and heart bending digital sneakers. Sounds like my kind of workout. It's not just about the shoes, but the adventures you have in them. Or in this case, the digital footprints you leave.
This is just the start for Reebok and Futureverse. With plans to expand and add new experiences, who knows? Maybe the next big fashion show will be in the metaverse.
I'm all for digital sneakers as long as I don't have to digitally tie them.
Jack Butcher and designer Salvino Armati are turning heads with their new Oviators, a unique eyewear collection based on Jack's famous Opapen IP. And guess what? The physical versions are set to be claimed in early 2024.
Not just any old sunglasses. These limited edition Oviators come with an NFT component created by Butcher himself. It's like wearing a piece of art on your face, directly linked to specially generated artwork. Talk about a visionary fashion statement.
And that's a wrap on today's journey through the high-tech world of digital fashion and crypto. From Reebok's AI kicks to Jack Butcher's stylish Oviators, we've seen some real game changers.
Not to mention eBay's Collectible Craze and Coinbase making crypto transactions as easy as sending a text. The future's looking bright. And hey, we might just need those Oviators.
Thanks for tuning in to Planet Chuckle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support keeps our planet spinning.